Alright guys, right now we are back again with another art vlog. So, kinontinue na natin si The Mask. Just like I promised, gagawa ako ng part 2 kasi medyo nabibitin ako dun sa outcome natin. But, I needed to rest para hindi na ako mentally exhausted and masyadong nakukulangan dun sa gawa ko. So, ang problema kasi pagka artist ka, hindi ka marunong makontento, gusto mo lagi pagandahin yung gawa mo, and without noticing na you're overworking and you don't know when to stop. Siya nga pala guys, dito sa sketchbook, madalas ako nag-experiment ng mga styles. So, if I messed up, it's okay. So, I'll do it better next time na lang. But right now, I'm actually practicing my watercolor, but it's really hard for me to do this because hindi ko siya gamay at mas sanay ako sa mas opaque na medium, just like acrylic and oil paint. So the more I use this watercolor thing, I kinda get the hang of it. So medyo nasanay na rin ako. It's just hindi ko lang makuha yung right colors to combine para magkaroon ng magandang output at malinis, kasi water is very hard to control. So this is the output, and medyo expressionist yung style ko. That explains a lot because nag-oil paint and abstract painting for quite some time. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time.